Hey guys, it's me, Jerry. In today's video, we are getting grass. And that truck is gonna dump something. Huh? Why isn't it dumping? Mom, why isn't it dumping? Mom, why isn't it dumping? You can see that, dude. There's someone in there. Are you ready for the disaster? Oh, he's dumping. He's dumping. Oh my God. It's taking forever. He's so slow. I'm gonna post this on YouTube. Ooh, it just dumped. There should be way more. Oh my God. Oh yeah, we have a pool. I just took a picture. Okay. Okay. Bye, all of you sexy paper. Wait. I need to do that. Bye, all of you sexy paper.